guys, dear viewers, how are you? I am fine. I hope everybody fine and also in good health. And I also in good health. Only pray. And why I also in good health? Because it's my dear viewers pray. So always pray for me and get new videos. And before I start my video, I say one thing. I have a channel in YouTube. I have channel, and in this channel I make every day some review, some advice thing. And in Friday I make 1, 2, 3 videos of OP Gaming. So subscribe my channel and get new videos every day. The advice story name is our environment pollution. And environment pollution, I start the story. I hope everybody get a lesson from the story. Enjoy. I say first, in our house everything is okay. We have oxygen, everything. And one day I show you. One day I show my every viewers. And guys, listen. Here is one tree. In front of my house, only one tree. And there are some trees, 10. I hope 10. Not sure. And 10 trees are not enough for our area. There is many houses, and two houses are my father's friend. Their name is Narayan and another name is I don't know. And in this area many people live, and the trees are not enough. The tree is not enough to our area. Totally in this area, here is totally 30 trees, and the area is so much big. So 30 trees are not enough. We need more trees because the trees are not enough. And I say every tree cutters are for his family. The tree cutters cut many unlimited wood. Want to cut unlimited wood and cut unlimited wood. But always think we can cut tree, but only limit. Don't cross your limit of cutting tree, because it will a pollution for our environment. It will be very dangerous for us, because tree give us oxygen and many foods. And everybody know, if any tree are not alive in earth, so we will die, because now somebody thinks who do not think the big rule. The big rule is everybody say hush. What? It's not a problem. And one time everybody don't follow the rules of the earth and cut all of the tree in earth. So now the story start. It will so much dangerous. We can't. Yes, scientists are make oxygen for anything, because they are so much intelligent. But if any tree are not alive, so any animals are can't alive, because they do not eat anything from 1 day, 2 days, and they are weak. 2 days later they are weak, and sometimes some days later, 5 days later they are die, because they do not eat anything for 5 days. So it is the rule of that. If you cut one tree, so place almost 10 trees, because a big tree give us 50% oxygen, 10% oxygen, and a small tree give us 1% lower than oxygen, like 0.5%. A small tree can't supply us many oxygen. A small tree can only supply 2% oxygen, not 0.5%, 2% oxygen, and a big tree supply 20% oxygen in earth. So if 10 trees are, we place 10 trees and cut one tree, so it's one tree give us 2% oxygen, so 10 20 10 tree give us 20%, so one tree is 10 plants. 10 plants are give us 20, and one big tree gives us 20. So it's now normal. So follow the rule. I request everybody, and for tree cutters, place 10 plants and cut only one tree. Cut one tree, 10 plants. One tree, 10 plants. One tree, 10 plants. It will save our environment. And after the tree is now so much big, the trees are now so much big, like the cutting tree, and 10 trees are now big. So again 10 one tree give us 20, so 10 tree give us 20 almost 200. No 200. Oh, it's better than the cutting tree. Okay, so follow the rules. And I go to the another topic. The another topic is black smoke in brickfield. In brickfield, the brickfield. If the brickfield owner, one brickfield owner, watch my video, so I request him, don't burn trees, because if they are burn trees, so the trees, the wood can make many black smoke, not smoke, many black smokes, so much. And if in brickfield they are use coal, so coal is so much good for our environment. Burn bricks, because the bricks are important to make our house. See here, yes, here they are bricks. So thank you for our brickfields owner, but use coal. In my grandfather, I go and travel my grandfather's brickfield, and the brickfield I saw in this brickfield there are, my grandfather is burn trees, and I say to my grandfather and my grandfather's brother, don't burn trees, because see, there are so much smokes, black smokes, they are so much dangerous. Only use coal. I know coal is so much valuable than wood, but the coal is safe to our environment. So every owner of brickfield use coal. Then my grandfather used coal in our brickfield, and now our brickfield is safe, and in this time our brickfield don't make black smoke so much. And every time we should save our environment. And the video ends here, and I have a target. Everybody go to YouTube, and a YouTube glitch is now so much. If you seen the subscribe button is red, so make it gray, because you subscribe, but sometimes the subscribe button is made red because it was an YouTube glitch. So subscribe my channel and get my videos every day, and always save our environment and save our planet. Thank you to spend your time with my advice video.